Have you ever wondered why there are ants everywhere in the world? Ants are one of the most successful species on Earth, and are found all over the world in diverse groups. Ants have a range of impressive abilities, including cooperation. Ants live in organized colonies, where colony members work together to achieve common goals, such as building nests, collecting food, and protecting the colony. Strength. Ants can carry objects 50 times heavier than their own weight, making them one of the strongest animals on Earth. Endurance. Ants can walk long distances in search of food, as some types of ants can walk up to 100 kilometers per day. Intelligence. Ants have high intelligence, as they can solve complex problems, such as building bridges, using tools, and growing plants. Here are some other interesting